Hello and welcome to Fundamental Physics. I am Priyanka Shah, and in this video we'll start solving the numericals of exercise 2B from chapter Work, Energy and Power. So starting with first question. Two bodies of equal masses are placed at heights h and 2h. Find the ratio of their gravitational potential energies. Very easy. You need to find the ratio of the gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy, that is potential energy. Formula is mgh. Okay. Mass, gravity and h, height. So there are two bodies having equal masses. So for body 1, we'll write down whatever information is given, and for body 2 over here. Okay? So both the bodies have same masses. So mass is m kg. यहाँ पे भी mass will be m kg. ठीक है? They are placed at heights h and 2h. So for first body height h होगा, for second body height 2h. Okay, so height h मीटर होगा, ठीक है, एंड यहाँ पे हाइट 2h मीटर. ऑल राइट, g कांस्टेंट है. ऑल राइट, नाउ over here you need to find out the ratio of the gravitational potential energy of first body to the second one. ठीक है, so ratio में first body का potential energy you will take in numerator and potential energy of the second body in denominator. All right, so gravitational potential energy for body 1 will be mgh, right? M into g into h, and over here gravitational potential energy will be mg into 2h. Height is 2h. ठीक है, so that will be 2 mgh. okay, joules. You need to find out the ratio. So mgh upon 2 mgh. So gravitational potential energy of body 1 upon gravitational potential energy of body 2 is mgh upon 2 mgh. कैंसिल हो जाएगा, h कैंसिल हो जाएगा. It will be 1:2. okay, so ratio of gravitational potential energy of the bodies is 1:2. Write down the statement. is to के फॉर्म में लिखो. ठीक है, so 1/2 है, that is 1:2. all right, and whenever you're considering ratio you will not consider the units. ठीक है, यहाँ पे joules है, joules नहीं consider करना है. ratio means you're comparing the numbers. ठीक है. Next question, question number 2. Find the gravitational potential energy of 1 kg mass kept at a height of 5 meter above the ground. Calculate its kinetic energy when it falls and hits the ground. Take g equal to 10 meter per square second. So gravitational potential energy, that is potential energy of some body, we need to find out whose mass is 1 kg. mass दिया है, height दिया है, g दिया है. So we can easily find out the potential energy for the body. We are given mass 1 kg है, height 5 मीटर है. चेक करो, everything should be in SI units. ठीक है, और all should be in CGS units. ठीक है, सो SI है, SI है, यहाँ पे भी SI यूनिट दिया है, ठीक है. So using the formula, let's find out the gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy of the body will be mgh. So 1 into 10 into 5, that is 50 joules. Okay, so box the answer. This is the gravitational potential energy of the body at height 5 meter. Calculate its kinetic energy when it falls and hits the ground. Now, when you raise an object up to certain height from the ground, it has potential energy, correct? When it falls down, potential energy is going to reduce and kinetic energy is going to increase, right? So just before hitting the ground, just before touching the ground, the ball has maximum kinetic energy. Pura potential energy is converted into kinetic energy just when the ball touches the ground. Okay. So this kinetic energy will be equal to the potential energy. This entire energy is converted into kinetic energy. So potential energy is 50 joules at the top, right before touching the ground. When it touches the ground, the energy will be 50 joules. The kinetic energy will be 50 joules. ठीक है? So kinetic energy of the object when it falls, of the object or the body, यहाँ पे body ही लिखा है तो write down body, when it falls and hits the ground is equal to potential energy of the body at the top. It is equal to gravitational potential energy of the body at the top, ठीक है, which is 50 joules, which we just calculated. Okay, very easy. Next question, question number 3. A body of mass 10 kg falls from a height of 20 meter to 8 meter. Calculate first part, the loss in potential energy of the body, and second part, the total energy possessed by the body at any instant. Take G as 10 meter per square second. Very easy. Okay, it's very easy. So first write down the given information. Now in previous two questions, I did not write according to the format. Always write down the given first, then to find part, whatever you need to find out. यहाँ पे we need to find out the loss in potential energy of the body, and next the total energy possessed by the body at any instant. So write down given, write down to find, write down the formula or formulae that you need to use, and then start with the solution. ठीक है? So given, we are given the mass for the body. We are given mass 10 kg. It falls from a height of 20 meter to 8 meter. Initial height is 20 meter and final height is 8 meter. Initial height 20 meter. Initial height को h1 ले लेते हैं, ठीक है? h1 is 20 meter and final height h2 is 8 meter. All right, and G is given. ठीक है? Now to find, we need to find the loss in potential energy of the body, and second part, we need to find the total energy possessed by the body at any instant. The total energy possessed by the body at any instant. ठीक है, I'm not writing it down now, you write it down. Given to find, formula that we need to use, formula potential energy का formula क्या है? mgh. ठीक है. Now starting with the solution, first we need to find out the loss in potential energy of the body. Why are we saying loss in potential energy? Because the body is initially at a greater height. Okay, from the ground the body is at a height of 20 meter. ठीक है, body is over here. So height पहले ज़्यादा है. The greater the height, the more the potential energy possessed by the body. Okay, so initially the height is more, then it is dropping down. Okay, so the height is reducing. So now the height is 8 meter. Alright, initially it is at a height of 20 meter, then the final height is 8 meter. So lesser the height, lesser will be the potential energy. So potential energy has reduced. There is a loss. ठीक है? So loss in potential energy will be equal to the initial potential energy minus final potential energy. Whatever is the potential energy at this height minus the potential energy at this height. Alright, so initial potential energy of the body minus final potential energy of the body. ठीक है. इनिशियल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी क्या हो जाएगा? mgh1, initial height you will consider, and final potential energy you will consider the final height h2. Now put the values. So mass is 10, g is 10, initial height is 20, and over here again 10, 10 and 8, final height is 8. ठीक है. So very easy, ये 2000, this will be 800, 2000 minus 800, 1200 joules. Energy का ऐसा unit is joules. So 1200 joule, loss and potential energy is 1200 joule. Box or underline the answer and add a statement after this. ठीक है, first part का answer मिल गया. Add a statement. The loss in potential energy of the body is 1200 joules. Now second part. Second part में you need to find out the total energy possessed by the body at any instant. Total energy possessed will be what is the maximum energy that the body had. Maximum energy the body had initially. Okay, when it had maximum height which was 20 meter. ठीक है. So initially the body was at a height of 20 meter, and that is when the body had maximum potential energy. Okay, so entire energy was stored in the form of potential energy. Now this potential energy is nothing but the total energy that the body has possessed. ठीक है. फिर बाद में as you drop the body from top to bottom, what will happen? The potential energy will keep on decreasing and kinetic energy will keep on increasing if it is in motion. ठीक है, if it is in motion. So this is the total energy that the body has possessed. ठीक है, at any instant. So mgh1, that will give you the total energy. So 10 into 10 into 20, that is going to be 2000 joules. That is going to be the maximum total energy that the body had possessed. Okay, so the total energy possessed by the body at any instant is nothing but the initial potential energy of the body. The entire energy of the body was stored in the form of potential energy initially. ठीक है, so it is mgh1, which is 10 into 10 into 20, that gives 2000 joule. Very easy. Don't forget the unit, underline or box the answer, add a final statement. Okay. Next question, question number 4. Calculate the height through which a body of mass 0.5 kg is lifted if the energy spent in doing so is 1.0 joule. Take g equal to 10 meter per square second. First, let us understand the problem. ठीक है? There is an object, a body, which is being lifted through some height. What height we don't know. We need to find out the height. Okay? So there is a body at some level. Okay? At some height, some level or ground level, whatever it is. ठीक है? It is at some level and that body is being lifted through some height h. Okay? Now, when the body is lifted through some height, the body here will possess potential energy, right? It will possess potential energy. So the body has gained some energy. It has gained energy. The energy gained by the body is nothing but the energy spent in lifting it. Energy gained by the body is nothing but the energy spent in lifting it. Alright, so when you lift a bag full of books, so when you lift it from ground, from the floor to a table, the bag is being raised through some height. Okay, so the bag will possess potential energy. Alright, and that potential energy gained by the bag is nothing but the energy that you spent in raising the bag. Alright, so energy spent is nothing but potential energy gained by the body. ठीक है, potential energy क्या हो जाएगा? mgh. We are given the mass of the body, g दिया है, h find करना है. Why? Because energy यहाँ पे दिया है, energy spent is 1 joule. 1.0 means 1 joule. So we know energy, we know m, we know g. We can easily find out h. Alright, so first write down the given. For the body, m is 0.5 kg, g is 10 meter per square second, and energy spent is 1.0 joule. Alright, to find the height, formula that we are going to use, it will be energy spent is nothing but potential energy gained by the body. Energy spent on raising the body. Energy spent on raising the body. ठीक है? Is potential energy gained by the body. ठीक है? Which is mgh. So this equal to mgh लिख लेना पूरा. ठीक है? Now, starting with the solution, energy spent on raising the body, you're going to write the same thing again. Energy spent on raising the body is potential energy gained by the body. Potential energy gained is nothing but mgh. ठीक है? Energy spent is 1 joule. So put the values. 1 है 1.0, mass is 0.5, g is 10, and h we need to find out. So 1 is equal to 0.5 into 10 will be 5 into h. 5 को shift करो, 1 by 5 is equal to h. 1 by 5 is nothing but 0.2. So 0.2 is equal to h. Everything is given in SI units. So the answer that you're getting is in SI unit. What is the SI unit for height? It is meter. So it will be 0.2 meter. So h is 0.2 meter. Box the answer, don't forget the unit, write down the final statement. The height through which the body is raised is 0.2 meter. Okay.